welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for a new video. Happy Sunday. Today I am going to do a chaos ribbon swipe and a spin. But I've got it in my head today. What I want to do is I want to swipe every inch of paint that I put down. Normally I would just do swiping through areas and maybe kind of wrecking in between where I've swiped. This time I'm going to actually just swipe the entire piece canvas. Piece canvas? What is that? I'm going to swipe through the entire painting. There's going to be no part of the paint left. It has not been swiped. Then I'm going to spin it out. So what I really want to happen is I just want the entire painting to be just gigantic lacing and cells. That's what I got in my head. I think that's going to work. I hope it's not going to be overkill. We'll see. All right, let's get down on the canvas. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So what I'm going to do today is another chaos ribbon swipe. And I'm using some wild colors and see how this is going to play out. I'm going to do a little swiping differently as well. I'm going to lay out some white first. And that's going to be my Artist Loft Soft Body White. Then I've got metallic purple from Blick. I've got sky blue light from Amsterdam. Metallic cobalt blue from Liquitex, Artist Loft. Got some leftover fluorescent orange from Pebeo. And I got some ultramarine violet from Amsterdam. And I am going to be swiping with my Australian Floetrol titanium white mixture cell activator. All right, let's get started. Got some white down. Now I'm just gonna ribbon pour these colors out. This is my purple, sky blue light, metallic cobalt blue, fluorescent orange, the ultramarine, I'm going to come back in with some more of the sky blue light. Now I'm just adding. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my palette knife and I'm just gonna swipe through all over the place. Right here on my edge. Kind of just go up and through this. Put the excess on the edge there. Going up through the pour is going to allow my colors to stay a little more vibrant. Wow, that's pretty. All right, let's do that again. We'll start right here. Really love what's happening. So I'm just gonna keep on swiping. Last one. So what I'll end up doing is I will bring this paint back this way. So I'll put some more flow extender down here. But what I'm gonna do with my straws, I'm just gonna blow on these areas that has the black cell activator. It's just kind of activate it, get those cells to pop up. First thing I want to do is pick this up, just let it slide down just a little bit. All right, now that I've got it stretched out the way I want it, I'm gonna spin it, really hoping this side moves. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to tilt. All right, let's give it a spin. Okay. So it did move, just not enough. While I've got some paint still here, I can use the weight of the canvas and the paint. I'm gonna just bring it down a little bit. weight of it back down here. That. There we go. So I'm going to clean up my edges, get my corners, and then I'll bring you guys down. All right, here we are with the wet results. So cool. It just looks like giant waves. Beautiful. So it could go like this, or go up here on the vertical. All right, well, let's see this dry. All right, here we are with the dried result. This is really, really cool. It's almost like a wave pour, but it just is fantastic with all the cells and lacing. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to do this really quick. All right, everyone, that is it. This piece is so cool. I love the idea of swiping the entire canvas. It's starting to pour rain, and I was outside doing the dried result video for this, so it's a little wet. But yeah, the lacing and the cells and how the colors just really blended and created cells within the cells, just fantastic. I mean, I love this so much. I might actually put resin on this because I think it's just a fantastic piece, and I think maybe a nice bright shine to this would be really cool. I don't know, we'll see. What do you guys think I should do? You think I should do resin, or you think I should do gloss varnish? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Everyone have a great weekend, and I will see you on Wednesday. Take care.